hello. Today is Mother's Day. Mother's Day. A lot of people celebrating Mother's Day. I never knew Mother's Day was a big deal. You know, in the US till I became a mom. So it's kind of interesting to see and to feel that experience because you yourself are a mother, right? Being a mother is one of those roles that I do not take for granted. One of those roles that I am thankful for every day, especially being a mom to twins. So it's a double blessing, but it's also double what? So I am grateful to have been given the opportunity to be a mother. And hopefully everyone is having a great day. Celebrating Mother's Day. Church, and then came back. The girls are having a nap now, and I'm trying to get caught up with some house duties because when you're a mom, you don't have any breaks. There's always something, either cleaning, you're either cooking, you're either playing or reading for the kids. It's a lot of roles. A never-ending job, but it's something that is very important role. And you just have to take it day by day. Today is really looking nice. It's really cool in the morning, but it's starting to warm up a little bit, but still giving that spring feel. That spring feel. And I'm going to do this and make something to eat. And then I am going to go out later on, kind of late afternoon, around like 4 or 5 p.m. and I'll probably get 1 or 2 cocktails today. I have not had a cocktail in a very long time. And this is a great day to switch it up a little bit. There is a local bar closer to where I live, and you can actually just walk over there. The nice thing about this bar is that you can actually bring like kids to it, but it has to be before 9 p.m. So we're gonna go around 4 or 5 p.m. That way we can sit out, and then it's not too cold too, because it's gonna probably start to cool down a little bit. And around like 6 o'clock, it's gonna start to cool down. So if you're watching this video and you're subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you. I've always wanted to like document my journey, especially when I was pregnant. With twin girls, I always wanted to document my journey, but I changed my mind because as a first-time pregnant woman, it was a lot of emotions that was fluctuating, a lot of emotions I was dealing with, and I just was not ready to be consistent with my YouTube channel. So I had to not do it because I don't want to start something and stop because I'm not going to be able to stick to the plan. But here I am today, and I'm ready to, to grow my YouTube channel. So if you're watching this, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and support me. And basically what I'm going to be posting is going to be day in my life, cleaning videos, parenting stuff, like milestones, my daughter's milestones, and stuff like that. And then we'll grow and go from there. Also, don't be scared to post comments, comments on my videos, like on my videos. Don't be scared to do that. If you love my videos, please make sure that you like it. Don't only subscribe, make sure you like the videos, make sure you post comments. Just try to have some courtesy. I will not be welcoming disrespectful comments like that. With me and toxic people don't match. So don't post anything or comment anything disrespectful on my channel. I'm not saying that I'm not open to like criticism or feedback. No, there's a difference between that and just someone that is just being toxic. So I'm not gonna welcome that on my channel. For somebody that is, wants to ask intrusive questions about my personal life, whenever I'm sharing a YouTube channel or whatever I decide to share, that's my own decision. Okay, so if you're gonna come in my channel and be asking or posting intrusive questions, unnecessary details about my personal life or about my family, you are not going to be welcome. I'm somebody that is straight. I love to have fun. Life is meant to be lived. Okay, you have to live your life. Go out, enjoy life. Don't sit in the house 24/7. Go out, enjoy life. Because nothing in this life is guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed. And you have to enjoy your life. Because if you don't, once you reach 70s, 80s, 90s, you're going to have major regrets. You're not going to be young forever. Get up, enjoy your life. Be thankful for the small things in life. Okay? Nobody's life is perfect. Everybody's dealing with something. Some people just have a better way to hide it, or some people just have a better way to cope. So live your life and be happy. And each time you find yourself being negative, especially online, then it's time for you to take a step back and kind of ask yourself, what is it that I'm lacking? What is causing me to be negative? dish rack is too small. But I don't even know if I buy a bigger one, where am I going to keep it? I have a dishwasher, but I don't even use it that often. Oh, I don't like to use my dishwasher. So, if you're watching this video up to this point, thank you for staying with me. I'm almost done with the dishes.